Hi guys, this is Subodh Luitel, and this is my team. We are group one of Mohammed Faisal, and the topic that we're speaking is on network monitoring system. So our client was Alina Tan, and the company name is Adventure Unleashed. So the project overview of this is we're just monitoring the network system of Adventure Unleashed. This network system will help us build a good system with fewer breakdowns and failures. And the main types of monitoring is monitoring availability, performance, and then configuration monitoring. The client requirement was simple. They wanted a real-time network system, but they also wanted a free source, and they want to enhance their security system. So this is our project design diagram where there's a system admin, the firewall, the server monitoring network, the tools that networks the monitor, and there's an intrusion detection system just in case there is any alert, and that will generate the alert to the client. So we took different approaches. The first approach that I took was a CACT tool approach. So a CACT tool is a robust and comprehensive network monitoring and graphing tool. So this helps by installing a central server, and this app, when configured through its web inference, which includes its database, setup, authentication, configuration, and basic settings. So the most significant feature of CACT is SNMP. So this CACT web interface provides real-time access to graph and report, and facilitating in analyzing performance and resources utilization. And now my friend Sabi is going to come and tell.
Thank you, Subodh. Okay, so I will start with the main component of project NOS, which is Network Operating System. So it's clear from the name that network operating systems deal with the network seamless communication and data exchange possible. Coming to the architecture of NOS, this one. So imagine a server, central server. It holds resources and is directly linked to 3 workstation. This is the heart of a NOS, facility communication between the server and its client machine. Now, coming to next image. Now imagine there is multiple server instead of one. We have multiple server distributing data load and ensuring no single point of failure. Each server managed by NOS can connect to multiple workstation, ensuring scalability. So with NOS we ensure effective data storage, real-time traffic monitoring, and smooth interconnection between interfaces. So it is the system that keeps an eye out for issues like router crashes or cable disconnection and quickly address them. Now, Akhilesh will continue with next approach.
Hello everyone. Now I'm going to explain about the Nagios tool. It is an open source tool which is used for processing of monitoring of networks. The major reason for choosing these monitoring tools, they provide efficient solutions, and by monitoring the sufficient problems on the servers, it has the capability to fix bugs and issues in an automatic manner and detect the networks necessarily. The major use are running periodic process in overall applications like Unix and Linux, analyze the network traffic. And the advantages of Nagios tool, which stops the problems on infrastructure before it reaches the end users. Now, this is the architecture of the Nagios. Here you can see on the left side, the objects as the database servers, switches and routers and application servers, which are connected to Nagios through the plugins. And on the right side, you can see the status through how the host can gather information or send or receive the information through mails, browsers, or SMSs or grabs, etc. Configuring and installing these Nagios be defined by specific hosts and like devices on the right side, and the servers on the left side, which are like HTTP servers or FTP servers. We have to assign relevant parameters like IP addresses and monitoring intervals for the regular monitoring process on this tool. Installation of Nagios is like relies on plugins to collect data and from the host and the servers. Installing necessary plugins based on what you want to monitor by using these tools. And the next slide about Zabbix, my friend Abhishek will explain more about. Thank you.
Thank you, Akhilesh, for your brief explanation. Now I'll be handling with the Zabbix tool. It is the most important tool for our approach. It is mainly used for the monitoring of the services, mainly because of it has given with a proven service of cloud services that can be monitored from anywhere. And it is mainly for the purpose of covers all the infrastructure, IT infrastructure, to provide a secure network. And the capability of Zabbix is that it provides a real-time day-to-day scenario using the advantages of like having an open source software, providing more flexibility. Features can access access control plane, which is necessarily used for the client and the user friendly. The Zabbix server is mainly is an open source monitoring software which provides a real-time monitors as well as alerting the scalability. Architecture, when coming to the architecture, it has got the RDBMS and a web server, which is mainly present in the Zabbix server for the configuration and data collection, which usually the items which we are in the customer point of view. The data collection is, however, it is visualized and the dashboards is being visualized in the Zabbix dashboard capabilities, and which provides the alerting of and notifications for using the mechanism. And the Zabbix server report the highest capabilities, integration with the tools and necessary items. When coming to the Zabbix design and construction of the advanced monitoring system, offers a real-time monitoring and enhanced security, detect anomaly and further improve the network security by connecting to the cloud environment. And here are the following references. Thank you.